Hey guys!
It's the teenagers.
We are going to be making today custom-made Ankara inexpensive Christmas ornaments. Here are a few examples. Now this one we will not be doing because it's the wooden one.
We got all these supplies mostly from our little craft bag we have. We use it to upcycle and to reuse, and a lot of things we do to make DIY things like these ornaments. What you need is some Mod Podge, scissors. You can even use old jeans. Of course you need some fabrics. And you can use decorations like a bead and beautiful balloons.
I also have this paintbrush that we will be using to brush the Mod Podge onto our ornament.
We want to see your decoration, so tag us at Wednesday Born. That is uppercase WEDNESDAY _BORN
Wednesday_born on Instagram. Let's get to it. We have this fabric and we have to cut it up, so let's start cutting.
I'm going to be following this ornament. I'm going to be using it and a few pieces over there, even though I'll need a few more, to make my ornament look just like this, except in a little bit of a smaller version. I'm all done cutting, as you see, and I'm about to use the Mod Podge, roll this all around the Mod Podge and roll it in. There was this one fabric that I like to talk about. It looked really pretty, right? But then I noticed this. It's white on one side, and since I'm going to be rolling it, if I have some white space, I don't think it's going to look that good. So sadly, I cannot use this beautiful fabric. Well, I'm going to get started. It's just so fun and cool. I really like it. It's just so... I can't help it. It is looking okay. I'm gonna press it down a little bit with my bare hands. It's so fun just rolling it in there, getting it messy.
So I have this cut up fabric. It actually took me a little while because my ornament is a little bit bigger than Kosie's, so I actually have to have more fabric to cover it up, and you want to make sure you don't have any holes. Now I have this big tub of Mod Podge here.
Okay guys, this is my finished product. There are a few white spots, but it dries clear. And if there's fabric underneath the white spots, that's all that matters. And there is fabric underneath the white spots, so that's really okay. My Christmas ornament will need a little bit of drying.
This is mine. There are a few spaces that I can fill in, and it's still wet. I think that it'll dry well and it'll look good. And you see, I still have to work on it, but these was just an example. So this is Kosie's. And we kind of got similar results, but just remember you also have to do the cleanup.
I know that some people don't have Christmas trees, but if you don't, you can put it on the mailbox, hang it on the doorknob, or put it in a bowl in the center of a table.
Now our brother DJ is going to come in and see what he thinks about our ornaments.
You see, food a little bit.
They look like food.
Food that I put candy on top of them. They look like
Candy.
onion with candy on top of them. But they
Thanks so much for watching, and remember, if you want to post a photo of your decorations, you can tag our mom at Wednesday_born on Instagram.
And that is the day of the week.
The ideas are endless, so we must encourage you all to create your own ideas. Even this is a clear ornament, and we've put some beads inside. You could add some fabric inside, but just remember that anything you put in, just know how to take it out, because it is a little bit hard. You may have to cut the beads like we have here. We have to cut the beads so that it would be easier to take out.
And you can even add a little bit of bling.
Ooh, fantastic!
Here is some fabric on the inside of this ornament.
Bye! Remember to like and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and remember to share our video with others.